My name is Hassan Adnan Khan, and today I will present analysis of Asian Paints, Indian largest and most trusted paint company. And its introduction is that Asian Paint is the largest and one of Asian leading paints company. Founded in 1942, it's offer a wide range of decorative paints, industrial, cottage, waterproofing solution, and home improvement product. Known for its strong distribution network, innovative product in 15 countries, and series of millions of customers, especially in the decorative home paints segment. The company is also expanding it into home decor and services to become a complete home solution brand.
My name is Evan Fatma. Asian Paints is known for its valued brand, as Asian Paints is one of the most recognized and trusted brands globally in the paints and coating sectors. Their strong branding plays a key role in customer loyalty and market dominance. Another point states that international presence, as the company operates in 15 countries and serves customers in over 60 countries. This wide reach reduces its dependency on any single market and allows it to absorb regional economic fluctuations.
Asian, my name is Safil Adnan. Today I am discussing about Asian Paints. Asian Paints is India's leading paint company and rank among all the top decorative coating manufacturers worldwide. Established in 1942, and the company has market capitalization of 2.8 trillion Indian INR as of 2023, and it has manufactured 26 facilities of consumer in over 60 countries, and it employs more than 6,500 people.
My name is Rawat Bengal and I am presenting weakness of Asian Paints. Asian Paints faces challenges. Its market share in the industrial paints segment in competitively limited, with competitors like KNC, Nerolac and ExxonMobil fiercely vying for dominance. Additionally, in decorative paints, consumer preferences shift rapidly, trends change fast, and products can become absolutely quickly, posing inventory and production planning challenges.
But the Asian Paints is known as the market leader and trusted brand. It is one of the biggest paint company with over 50% market share and known for a strong brand image through campaign like हर घर के कुछ कहता है and Muscat Gattu. Constant growth over 34,800 crore INR revenue in 2023 to 2024. Strong brand trust among both customers and professional builders and painters. How was many award in one of the Indian most trusted brands. They are also known as the strong distribution network and wide product range and innovation and R&D in paint world. And their financial strength are constant profit and revenue growth 12 to 15% CAGR over 10 years. And their net profit from 2023 to 2024 is 4,141 crore INR.
However, Asian paints can face severe issues in future as they are overly dependent on physical retail. Even though e-commerce is on the rise, but Asian paints still relies heavily on traditional retail stores. This dependence could limit their reach in digital markets. Moreover, they can have high infrastructure costs as well. Managing warehouses, supply chains, and production units globally demand significantly investment. These overheads can affect profitability. Further, they can have CSR issues as well. The company has faced criticism for not being entirely eco-friendly and not maintaining corporate social responsibility and free bottom line. In today's world, not following sustainable practices can harm brand reputation.
But they are tough competition. They are tough competition from the small brands because these local players have lower cost, fewer rules to follow, and flexible payment terms. Customer in this market prefer cheap paint over branded ones. Asian Paints budget brand like Twitter emulsion still cost more than local paints. This limits their growth in smaller town and low income segments. And they also one of their weaknesses slow on eco-friendly and green products. More people now want eco-friendly and non-toxic paint. Asian Paints have a few such products like Royal Atmos, but not many options, especially in lower prices range.
There are external threats. The raw material required for point production are subject to volatile prices and supply. External threats. The raw material required for paint production are subject to volatile prices and supply distribution affecting capacity and profitability. Additionally, global events like pandemics and geopolitical conflicts can slow industries, especially construction and infrastructure, which are vital to Asian paints. Growth and economic downturn impacts demand, creating additional headwinds.
Market expansion US India growing at 14% of GR, and it has $200 million investment in industrial coating by 2025. And it is globally eco-friendly paint and market to reach at 38 billion by 2027. And it has launched 25 new green products in 2023, and it has aggressive entry with 10,000 INR crore investment.
But they have more global players like Sherwin-Williams, ExxonMobil lead in offering green, low work lead free paints. As environmental law tighten, this could be a disadvantage also. They have many opportunities, but one of them are use of advanced technology. Using automation, AI and smart machines in factory can reduce cost and improve product quality. Asian Paint already has eco product like Royal Atmos, and it can lead more by investing in smart and eco-friendly paints. AR, AI and mobile apps can improve customer experience and can help boost online sales.
However, there can be further threats to their business as well, as they run a paint industry, so there can be imitation risk as well. Since the paint industry has relatively low entry barriers, and new brands can easily copy products and strategies, increasing competitive pressure, which can result in low sales and decrease in their profits. Further, as after the COVID, post-pandemic issues lead to market slowdown because consumer demand for non-essential or luxury products like paints has slowed in many regions. This could impact their sales and revenue. Moreover, there is raw material scarcity as well. As global competition increases, the availability and price of raw materials like titanium dioxide and resins are becoming more volatile, affecting production and margins.
Import duties on key raw materials is increased to 15%, and it accelerates international growth to target 20% revenue from overseas by 2027. And it double R&D is spent to 400 crores annually for partner with automotive OEMs, and it launched AI-powered color recommendation engine, and it also grow our e-commerce to 50% of sales.
But its economical slowdown and inflection, when the economy slows down or prices go up, people cut back on non-essentially spending like paint and home upgrades. Cheaper brands benefit during such time, taking away customers from premium brand like Asian Paints. So they have the slowdown and drawback of that. Continued economical uncertainty may depend for decorative paints and slow down company growth. And the rising competition, new players like Birla Opus are shaking up the paint market by offering lower prices, better dealer discount, and hiring experienced staff from companies like Asian Paints. To stay ahead, Asian Paints much focused on innovation, keep improving eco-friendly products and boost its online presence.
Looking at Asian Paints as promising opportunities, the company has the financial strength and innovative edge to expand further into industrial coatings and automotive paints, sectors with tremendous growth potential. Moreover, emerging Asian economies eager for quality building materials present a chance for Asian brands to secure first mover advantage and establish dominant position early in new markets.
But they have more opportunities like expansion into new and growing market. Like Asian paints can grow in developing region like Africa, Southeast Asia and Latin America, where urbanization and housing demands are rising. Countries like Indonesia, Vietnam, Nigeria and Bangladesh offer big potential for affordable and quality paint product. Government housing scheme in countries like India, Kenya and the Philippines create strong demands for the paints. Growing interest in eco-friendly product gives Asian Paints a chance to launch low walk and green paints in this new market.
It has an expansion in rural markets as they have a strong brand image and can expand into rural market easily and smart home integration can develop tech-enabled home door which has attract modern customers and strategic accessories can acquire regional paints brand which have entrance with the presence.
Moreover, their further opportunity can be product diversification. As Asian Paints isn't just sticking to wall paints anymore, they have explained into waterproofing, coatings, and even kitchen and bathroom solutions. This diversification isn't just sticking to wall paints anymore. They have explained into waterproofing, coatings, and even kitchen and bathroom solutions. This diversification reduces risk and boosts potential revenues. The do-it-yourself trend is gaining popularity among the younger generation. If Asian Paints promotes user-friendly products with online tutorials, they can attract a new segments of customers as well. Moreover, due to digital engagement, investment more in digital platforms and online customization tools can enhance customer experience and help Asian Paints build stronger direct relationship with end users.
But they have the drawback of limited global presence. Like most of Asian paint business, 85 to 90% is only in India. Global rivals like PPG and ExxonMobil operate in many countries and earn from different regions. Asian Paints does not in same countries like Sri Lanka, UAE, but not on a big scale. They don't have major international projects or brand recognition outside South Asia. If India economical conditions slow down, it directly affects their performance more than global companies.
Asian Paints stands tall as the largest paint company in India and ranks third in Asia. It commands over 50% of India decorative paints market, establishing itself as the unilever leader in that segment. It's not just a domestic champion, it operates in 70 countries with 24 manufacturing facilities and service customers in over 65 countries worldwide, an impressive global footprint.
But their dependency on expensive raw material like Asian Paints depends heavily on crude oil based material and imported chemical. Prices of this material change often and profit margin can be changed too. When oil prices went up, like during the Russia-Ukraine crisis, their cost shot up too. They tried to raise prices to balance cost, but in price-sensitive market, this can hurt sales. Rural and low-income customers are especially price conscious, so it's hard to pass on the extra costs.
It has royal range cost 50 to 20% more than competitors, and it lows budget segment to realism and Ingo paints. And it has 60% of raw material imported TIO monomers, and it has valuable to global price to speculations.
But they are the most strong distribution network in India, like over 70,000 dealers across India, from big cities to small towns. Early use of tech like color wide machines to quickly mix color at stores during COVID, their digital and flexible system helped them bounce back quickly. But now they are expanding into online and home services like Beautiful Home Service. and their innovation and R&D, like the launch product antibacterial paint, Royal Health Shield, waterproof paint, Apex Ultima Pocket, uses tech like AI to suggest paint and trend. And they also focus on the sustainability, sustainable practice, water recycling, energy saving paints, low VOC product.
Its strengths lie in its deep market penetration, innovation, and brand reputation, making it a formidable competitor to companies like KNSI, Nerolac, and Industrial Paints. Their success stems from their ability to adapt to consumer tastes and their focus on innovation.
However, in the future, there is a possibility that they may face environmental concerns as awareness is being spread. The company has faced criticism in past times for not being environmental friendly. In today's world, not following sustainable practices can harm brand reputation. So they can face legal and environmental regulations in coming time. If Asian Paint doesn't adopt sustainable practices like being environmental friendly and follow ethics, they may face legal actions or heavy penalties, especially in environmentally conscious markets.
Asian Paints began modestly in 1942, founded as a partnership by four friends, with a bold vision to challenge the dominant global paint giants operating in India at that time. Over the next 25 years, it transformed into India's leading paints company and significant player on the Asian continent.
But they have also trade of rising competition like new player like Birla Opus are shaking up the paint market by offering lower prices, better than dealer discount, and hiring experienced staff from the companies like Asian Paints. To stay ahead, Asian Paints much focus on innovation, keep improving eco-friendly product and boost its online presence. And they have also tried of environmental and regulatory pressure. So for this, compliance effort, testing, certifications and R&D take time and money, putting pressure on profit and pricing.
As you all talk about other paints companies, it has best quality in all over India and best value for money for these paints, and it has more quality wise and color wise and varieties in this.
But they have tough competition from some local brands. Like in rural and small towns area, many small unrecognized paint offer cheaper prices than Asian Paints.
As it is being discussed that Asian Paints is a strong company, as India's economy is increasing and expanding, especially in urban and rural housing development, there is a huge opportunity for paint and decor demand to increase. And as there are cheaper prices from cheaper industries, there is a possibility that they may offer cheaper quality as well. So they might not be able to compete with Asian Paints.
Asian Paints has a rich legacy of growth, innovation, and expansion. Its strengths position it well for future opportunities, but it must navigate competitive pressures, volatile raw material market, and global uncertainties. As a company that started from humble beginnings to hold a significant place on the world stage, Asian Paints exemplifies resilience, strategic agility, and visionary growth with continued focus on innovation and market expansion. It is poised to paint an even brighter future.
But for the economical slowdowns and inflections, when the economy slow down or prices go up, people cut back on non-essential spending like paints and home upgrades. But the continued economic uncertainty may hurt demand for the decorative paints and slow down company growth. The paint industry is covered by a bunch of rules, like making sure paints don't harm the environment, are safe for people to use, and follow a certain process to make the product. The regulations change and get stricter as time goes on to deal with worries about the environmental and public health. And while following them is really important, it can be very difficult for companies like Asian Paints because it can hurt their business and cost them more money. More and more lawmakers are paying attention to the environmental regulation in the paint industry, especially because some paints release chemical called VOC that pollute the air and can cause health problems for people. As one of the biggest paint companies in India, Asian Paints has to follow tough rules about VOC impactions and the effect its product have on the environment. To meet this regulation, the company has to make a big investment in eco-friendly product that cut back as harmful impressions. But these greener options usually cost more to make. This means business spend more money in place on advertisement, which is hard for them to afford, especially in places like India, where people tend to look more prices when making buying decision. That they need to keep investment in eco-friendly product, get eco certification and follow environmental rules according to the law. In addition to worrying about the environment, the paint industry also has to follow more and more rules for health and safety. Many paints has chemical in them that might not be safe for people. So there are safety rules around the world. But what goes into the past paint and how it should be handled? As more people learn about the danger bout by chemicals like lead, benzene and mercury, Asian Paints need to keep checking and improving its product to make sure to keep availability in the market.
Since the paint industry has relatively low entry barriers and new brand can easily copy product and strategies, increasingly competitive pressure, and it has a high administrative cost managing warehouse supply chains and productive and production unit globally, and the demand significant investment. They overhead all the effective profitability. And due to strong brand reputation and the market positioning, and the company has shown steady financial and operational growth over the years.
However, there are limitation risks, but still painting industry demands higher research and development, which require higher cost. So it can be said that there are higher barriers to entry because everyone cannot afford higher cost for market research.
Dependence on raw material prices, intense competition, and some geographical limitations, growth in the Indian market, expansion into new markets, and increasing demand for eco-friendly products. Competition from both local and international players, economic downturns, and changing consumer preferences.
To conclude, the Asian Paint is a strong, trusted brand with a significant global footprint. While it has many competitive advantages, it also faces challenges related to subsequently infrastructure and influencing market demands. By leveraging digital tools, investing subsequently, and innovating with product, Asian Paint has the potential to not only maintain but grow its leadership position in the global market.
Distribution provide robust, robust competitive advantages. To maintain leadership, it must reduce dependence on Indian decorative segments and leverages digital technologies and stay ahead in sustainability. And it also have to build industrial coating business.
Asian Paint is a well-established and trusted brand in India and other markets. They have a strong and widespread distribution network reaching both urban and rural areas. A diverse range of products including paints, coating and home decor items, continuous innovation in products and technologies to meet evolving customers' needs, consistent financial performance and profitability, vulnerable to fluctuation in raw material prices which can impact profitability, intense competition from both domestic and international paint companies, While expanding, they still have some geographical limitations compared to global players.
And now we are ending our discussion with that the Asian Paints has the potential to not only maintain but grow its leadership position in the global market.